everyone, my name is Gayoung Bae, Shanrose Master of Atomy Canada. This is my journey! Hello everyone, my name is Gayoung Bae, Shanrose Master of Atomy Canada. Welcome to the Hello ASMR. I'm so excited to be filming this moment with Atomy Canada. I'm from Busan in Korea and I came to Canada in 2006 and I live in a little town called Whitby in Ontario. Not at all. I was open-minded and very excited to meet new people and learn about new cultures in a new country. Best part of living in Canada is the opportunity to interact with people from diverse backgrounds and cultures. Experiencing this vibrant mix of diversity is a true blessing and it makes my life more beautiful. I chose Atomy Canada for a change in my life. It has made me more open-minded, positive, and happier. Most importantly, it taught me to love myself, which changed my personal growth and well-being. Nervous, confident, and exciting. My journey with Atomy Canada began with nervousness as I stepped into something new and different, pushing myself out of my comfort zone. However, as I gained more Atomy experiences, my confidence grew, and now I'm excited because a bright future waits for me with joy and excitement. My specific goals for this year in Atomy Canada include working hard and closely with my partners to support their journey towards joining Global Auto Sales Master Club, and at the same time assisting my sales master in achieving the rank of Diamond Masters. By working together as a team, everyone involved in Atomy Canada will success. A key lesson I've learned from my experience at Atomy Canada is that success starts with you. It's important not to depend solely on your sponsors or partners. You need to be proactive and work hard using the resources around you. Only then will the support from others truly make a difference. Waiting for help without putting in effort yourself won't lead to success. Vanilla. It is the #1 rated ice cream flavor, my #1 company, Atomy. It is a flavor that is very simple and combines very well with other flavors ice creams. It doesn't overpower, just like how simple Atomy is and how it works so well with every individual complementing them. I am actually a trained chef in French cuisine. Used to love cooking and was pretty good at it, but the truth is that I'm loving it less now once I met Atomy. Nothing can beat my love for Atomy. Determined. I'm focused and persistent and unwavering in my pursuit of goals. Whether it's overcoming obstacles or striving for success, I approach every challenge with a strong sense of determination. I would travel to the future to check if my life scenario happens to come true. My dream vacation would be at a sunny resort in Cancun, where everything is included and I can eat and relax whenever I want. The only thing I would bring is Atomy sunscreen to keep my skin safe. When I was about 6 or 7 years old, I had a daily allowance of $3. Instead of saving it, I would run to a nearby convenience store every day to buy as many candies as possible. I remember spending a lot of time there figuring out the best deals to get the most treats. This memory always brings a smile to my face. King Sejong. I would discuss the King Sejong Award and explain how Atomy's Absolute Skincare set became the first in the cosmetic industry to receive this prestigious award. Additionally, I would offer King Sejong a free facial with the Absolute Skincare set. Hands down, Busan in Korea to see my parents. Ramen is my go-to comfort food and guilty pleasure snack at the same time. But now with Atomy potato ramen, I feel less guilty having my comfort food. I believe the only way to continue and be successful with Atomy is to plug into the system. Be in the system and learn with your partners until you reach your goal. Never give up and learn from each other. It works.